forward, the world's best beach tennis tournament was hosted right here in Aruba back in November. It is normal that a whole new group of fans fell in love with the sport, considering the magnitude of the event. We shouldn't have to wait until November every year in order to follow up on the world of beach tennis. So if you are a fan, there is BeachMag. BeachMag was established 2 years ago by Magali Garnier. She is a professional beach tennis player from the island of Réunion in France. Réunion is known to be a prime spot for the sport. The mission statement of BeachMag is to promote the sport of beach tennis, its tournaments from all over the world, as well as the players. BeachMag captured every exciting moment during the Aruba International Beach Tennis Tournament at Eagle Beach. They played a vital role in promoting the event and showing the beach tennis community from all over the world the show the island is capable to put on for the sport. You may follow BeachMag on Facebook or YouTube.